Yo, Mitch, give me fake on the D-Tanks, please. Give me a fake, give me a fake, give me a fake, give me a fake, give me a fake. Okay, hold.
Don't go to the checkpoint.
Yo, ready northeast shallow on the D-Tanks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast shallow on the D-Tanks. Okay, come back. Come back. Demons in ball. Kill this guy. Okay, hold. Come southwest now. Just hold. 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 Yo, C. Hold. Come west now. Come. CC. Come west. Hold. Just hold here.
Do not bait.
Yeah, come west. Come back. We're trying it to bring it open world, man. Come west. Come back.
Yeah. They mount up. Change area.
Where are they going now?
Wait, let me check. They staying from the southeast. Upper hill.
Okay, come
From the
west.
HO.
Come west. Just hold here. They're leaving? What is this? They're trying to pull. They're coming back. Okay. Where are they now? Do they want to fight?
Northeast,
Okay, hold here. Just hold on the crown, boys. Hold on the crown. D-Tanks only.
Dismounted northeast.
Okay, hold. Just hold here. Hold here. No worries. Okay. Let them come in. If they want content, they're gonna come here. Yo, hold. Come to me. Position yourself on the west side, okay? Hold.
They staying from the downhill.
Okay, come back west.
Do not bait.
Yeah,
They're looking.
Just come southwest for now, D-Tanks. Where is there a DPS walking up? Hello? Avoid that piece. Just come back. Let them in.
They're looking. They're going up now.
Yes, come in.
Careful.
Come to me.
They're going south now.
Yo, I'm gonna fake. I'm the one that's gonna do a fake. Yo, everyone gonna be engaging on the shield, okay? I'm faking. Hold. Come west. Yo, engage on the shield. On the shield. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on the shield. Yo, stop my northeast. Come back, Terry. Come back, Terry. Come back, boys. Come back. Up southwest here. We're gonna brawl here. Come back. Yo, 10 seconds we're gonna engage. 10 seconds we're gonna engage. Hold. Come west. Come northeast now. CC my northeast side. CC. Now look at me northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Delete. Now come back now. Delete that. Come back now. Come back. CC. D-Tank spill. Heal up my front. Hold. Nice. Okay, ready. Look. Okay, come back. Communities now. We're gonna engage inside of us. Engage of us. 5 seconds. CC. Ready on my crowd in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything knock on. Okay, come back. We're gonna pull out. Come back. It's okay. Come back. We're gonna play around the Terry, boys. Okay, no need to push up. Hold.
They're going down now. They're going south. Southeast.
Okay, hold. Just hold. Hold. I'm not telling you to step up. Hold. Just hold. Okay, come request now. Come back.
They're going southeast.
Okay.
Na Daimata.
Let me check again, okay?
Yeah.
Wait a second. They here, upper hill from the east side. I think they mounted.
Yeah. They want to
They're
bet on
looking
it,
for position. They're going back from the outpost again.
Everybody come back. Matap. Just follow me, okay, Mantap. Everybody come northwest. Mantap, just come northwest.
They can't even engage you.
Hold here.
A lot of
Hold. Come back southeast now, come back now. Come back to Terry. I just want to show them that we're out of the Terry.
Then they still staying. They have a scout.
They have scout, okay. I mean, if they want content, let's come here, you know?
They're trying to bait you.
I know.
They want to fight you in open world. Okay. They going back again. So careful. There's some dismounted.
You're gonna catch you if you're scouting the tank square. Just careful. Yeah, walk with me. I'm gonna go out a bit, okay? We're gonna go back to the Terry. Hold here, come northwest na. Come back. Are they following or what? Stay on the front, please. Stay on the front.
Come back.
Careful, they trying to bait you, bro. They staying from the outpost. Till
I mean,
they mount up.
hindi sila makaka-lunch.
Oh,
If they're not gonna be coming to us, then we're just gonna go northeast and then Dimas. That easy.
Oo.
tatapusin lang yung oras, no?
Tapusin na natin. Para isa lang po protect natin.
Hindi nila kaya pasukin. Kasi nila open world.
Unless you guys want to try again. Open world. No.
No. I don't have the enough support already. Thanks for this one.
Lugi rin sa DPS, naka sila T9 tita nata.
Okay.
There's a lot of stuff that we need to work on if you wanna do open world, okay? Because at some point, I have 4 longbows, which is not really good. I only need 1. But the rest, I just need a lot of like melee DPS.
I see there's a lot of halberd there. Want to try to brawl you.
Yeah.
Now they're going back. They're going back now. There. Coming from the east side again. No. Going south.
South side?
Yeah, south side.
Baka babalik lang sila.
Oh, they stay from the west now. Going from the west.
Still mounted.
I know. I can see them that are mounted.
Naantay nila mag-open yung outpost pre, 2 minutes na lang.
Kanina na yung outpost. Gagawin ko dyan.
Uy, nagpasok, gago. Uy, nagpasok.
Okay, be ready. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest, delete, 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 kill punish, kill punish, kill punish, no, ball, spread and 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 ball. Ano? Spread and ball. Oo, alam ko. Come southwest, come southwest. So spread and ball, boys. Spread and ball. You're ready to begin, when engage northwest, we're gonna engage northwest. CC in my northwest side, CC in my northwest side, CC in my northwest side. Northwest side in 5. Hold. Actually, northwest side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown, boys. On the crown. Everything on the crown. Delete, 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 delete. Now spread and ball. Come southeast now. Come back 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 southeast now. Def. Come back southeast. Come back southeast. Come back southeast. Come back
They're
southeast.
looking.
I know, come back southeast. I know, come back southeast. Come back southeast. Come back southeast. Come back southeast. 10 seconds we're gonna engage. 10 seconds we're gonna engage. Hold. Just hold, boys. Just hold. Yo, ready to look deep northwest. Deep northwest on the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the crown. Between the crown, boys. Delete. Now spread to come southeast. Now come southeast and spread. Come southeast and spread. Spread. Find the crown. Find your crown. Spread. CC on minority side. CC heal up. Just spread. Now look northwest. No, CC on my northwest side. CC on my northwest side. Faster. Northwest. Deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the stairs. Delete.
Nice.
Come east now. Roll and spread. Come east. Roll and spread. Come east. Def. Puppy kick. Come southeast now. Come back southeast. Come back southeast. We're gonna engage 10 seconds again. 10 seconds. Heal up. Yo, brawl this guy. Terry. Brawl this guy. Look northwest. Northwest on the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on the ground. Delete. Nice one. Hold. Ball and spread.
They're running from
They're running. Come north. Rolling down north. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Yo. Keep on body. Come north. Push through north. Yo, 10 seconds we're gonna engage. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Find me north. Hello. Find me north. North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the north. Okay, they're running. Kill them.
Northeast. They're running from the northeast. Nice.
Eh, once
Running from the northeast. They're running from the northeast.
Catch.
Mo, chico rin
Please. Anyone healer?
See.
I'm dying. My God.
Catch.
Catch. Please catch. Kill the guy. Engage on him. Heal up.
May dealers here. Ba't tayo mamaratay? Nagsi-chase. Oy, mamatay mo si Chase ha. Pag kayo nasundot.
Hindi ko kaya.
Killer dito. Ping. On ping sa bridge.
Yeah, I'm there na.
Yo, northwest, engage. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything na call. Kill the sealer.
Nice one.